be starting the exercise 2.1 that is related with fractions and decimals. तो जो first question जो दिया हुआ है question पे वैसा दिया हुआ है, we have to solve the question. You can see on the screen. This first one is given, solve question number 1. It is 2 minus of 3 by 5. We need to solve this. This is the first question. The second question is 4 plus, it is given 7 by 8. Third question I'll be not doing, I'll be doing question number 4. Third question is for you. 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. This is the third question. Let us first try this first 3 questions. So the first question, 2 minus of 3 by 5. So this is your, we can consider this is a proper fraction subtracted with the 2. So how we can do this, you see. First of all, there is a 2 way of doing it. You can do it in a simple way also. I will be showing you 2 ways. Just use which way is easier for you. First of all, if you consider here this 2, since nothing is there in below, I can convert this into fraction also. You can convert this in this way. 2 by 1 minus of 3 by 5. This is one way. Firstly, let us solve this one. So if I solve in this way, the lowest two numbers, I can take the LCM. So what will be LCM then? LCM will be 5. So to make this fraction equivalent, below we have 1. So to make it 5, what we need to do? We need to multiply with 5. That is already done. So that 5 should also be multiplied above. So it should be 2 into 5 minus of 3. क्योंकि यहाँ पे already 5 है, तो इसको equivalent करने का कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है. So it will be 10 minus of 3 divided by 5. So 10 minus 3, it is 7 by 5. So this is your answer. This is one way of doing it. I will be showing the other way in this one, you see. Equal to 4 plus 7 by 8. Directly you can directly multiply this 4 into 8. 4 into 8 plus the above one, that is 7, divided by the below number, that is 8. 4 into 8 plus 7 divided by 8. So 4 8s are 32 plus 7 divided by 8. So it will be 39 by 8. So you go through it. Which way you are finding it easier, you can try it in your own way. So this is one way, this is the other way. Third one, again you can see, but here there is only one way. First of all, we need to find the LCM of this 11 and 15. So if you 11 and 15, if you find the LCM, so 15 into 11, it will be 5 1. So it will be 5 1. So it will be 165. So that will be your LCM. 165. So if 165 is your LCM, that means this number, if you want to make it into equivalent fraction, ये जो नीचे वाला नंबर है वो 15 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, तभी 165 निकलेगा. ठीक है. So below number is already multiplied, तो न्यूमरेटर पे मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. तो 9 into 15 minus of 4 into, क्योंकि ये 15 है, इसको 165 करना होगा, तो that means यहाँ पे 11 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. डिनोमिनेटर पे तो ऑलरेडी करके रखा हुआ है. You go on trying with the numerator. So this will be 4 into 11. So 9 into 15. If I do it, so this value will be equals to 135 minus of 44 divided by 165. Clear? So here your answer will be 1. Then it will be 91 by 165. So this is your answer for the fourth one. Okay, so we have solved 1, 2 and 4. If you are feeling any doubt related to this, you can ask me on the comment section, or you can give me a message on my classroom. Also, you can give me a message on my WhatsApp group. So the next question, I'll be going to the next question, question number 5. So the question number 5, it goes like this: 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus it is 3 by 2. 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. क्या करना है? पहले इन तीनों का LCM निकालना है. You can try the LCM first. तो इन तीनों का अगर LCM निकालोगे तो इसका जो LCM आएगा वो आएगा 10. तो इसमें क्योंकि ऑलरेडी नीचे 10 है तो इसको डायरेक्टली 7 into 1 करना है ऊपर. प्लस इसमें 5 है तो इसको 2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा तभी तो 10 बनेगा. तो इट विल बी 2 into 2 प्लस 3 into ये 2 है इसको 10 करना होगा. So it will be 3 into 5. So 7 ones are 7 plus 2 twos are 4. So 3 fives are 15 divided by 10. So 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 15 is 26. So it will be 26 by 10. So this is your answer for question number 5. Then I will be doing question number 7. 6 is for you. Let us try question number 7 then. Question number 7 goes like this: 8, it is in mixed fraction, 8 half minus of 3 5 by 8. It is given in this way. First of all, you convert this into improper fraction. क्योंकि mixed fraction पे है, पहले improper fraction पे convert करो. तो for converting into mixed fraction, so improper fraction, 8 into 2 plus numerator that is 1 divided by 2 minus 3 into 8 plus 5 that is above number divided by 8. So I'll be doing steps. So 8 to the 16, 16 plus 1 is 17 by 2 minus of 3 is a 24, 24 plus 5 is 29 divided by 8. So it will be LCM will be 8. You can try the LCM. So since here it is 2, so we need to multiply with 4 to make it 8. So 17 into 4 minus 29 into 8 already है तो इसमें 1 ही multiply करना होगा. तो 17 4 is 68 minus of 29 by 8. Okay, so 68 minus 29 if I do, so this will be equals to 39 by 8. So this is your answer. So this is the first question that we have done. That is, I have done 1, 2, 4, 5 and 7. Then question number 3 and 6 is for you. You do it in your copy and please note down this all these questions that I have done in your copy. So in the next class we'll be discussing question number 2 and question number 3. So this much for today. We'll be continuing in the next class. Thank you.